You may require extra funds for bills from time to time. We've all been there, particularly if you live in a costly city. Perhaps you're attempting to save for something special or increase your investments. You've come to the perfect place if you're wondering how to earn money now or which are the finest money-producing apps accessible right now. Here are some of the finest money-making apps for 2021 to help you generate additional income quickly. Number 6. MyPoints. MyPoints is a platform that enables you to earn gift cards by taking surveys, playing games, watching movies, and participating in a variety of other online activities. MyPoints will also reward you for online shopping. When you order online at over 2,000 popular stores, including Walmart, eBay, and Amazon, you may earn free gift cards. You're going to buy goods anyhow, so why not save money and receive a free gift card by doing it through MyPoints? Number 5. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a legitimate money app for taking surveys for money and providing your opinion online. Every day, they provide access to 1,000s of paid survey opportunities. They'd also provide numerous opportunities to make money when purchasing online. It's extremely easy. In your spare time, simply push a couple buttons and boom, money for nothing. The Swagbucks app is among the best-paying survey sites, allowing you to earn money from your phone and receive payment via PayPal or gift cards. With each online survey, you have the opportunity to influence decision-makers from prestigious corporations and organizations. Number 4. Paribus. If you bought something online within the last year and the price dropped, the store may owe you a refund. You may return your money and get refunded for anything you've already purchased using the money-saving Paribus app. That's right, you read that accurately. It's possible that you owe money to stores. Online shopping is becoming more popular, especially if you live in a large city. If you frequently shop online, you could be in line for a speedy return. Refunds are normally completed swiftly, within 3 to 7 business days. Retailers will credit your original mode of payment, such as the credit card or debit card you used to pay. You should look into Paribus. Paribus is completely free to use and handles all of the heavy lifting for you. Number 3. Acorns. Last year, Acorns assisted me in hiding and investing my money. What exactly does that mean, you ask? Acorns allows you to set up a free app to round up your transactions to the next dollar. They invest this money in exchange-traded funds, ETFs. To be honest, it's pretty cool. Assume you paid $6.90 for a pint of beer at the pub. When you install the Acorns app, it will round up to the nearest dollar and invest that 10 cents for you. This accumulates over time. You can construct an investment portfolio 1 penny at a time with the Acorns app. This money-making app is unquestionably a millennial investment approach. You may set it and forget it, accumulating an investment portfolio without even realizing it. You can also invest additional dollars through the Acorns app. In reality, it is both a software to help you invest more cash and an investment platform. Number 2. LifePoints. LifePoints is among the world's largest influencer networks, having granted $28 million to its users in the previous year alone. For new customers, the company also provides a welcome incentive of 10 LifePoints. Qualifying for sponsored surveys on LifePoints is a little easier than on other survey sites. This is an important consideration before registering for any internet survey company. The majority of the surveys can be finished in 10 minutes or less. This may result in a slightly lower reward each survey, but the ROI of your time is equivalent, and you won't be bound to any one survey for 30 mins or more. Number 1. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a cash reward software and website which pays its members for doing online jobs, playing games, taking out surveys, and other activities. After authenticating their email address, first-time users can receive a $20 sign-up incentive. Inbox Dollars, unlike other money-making apps, does not use a points-based earning system. Instead, your profits are displayed in dollars, making it simple to determine how much actual cash you're making. The Inbox Dollars smartphone app is one of the most user-friendly with a straightforward UI. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. But before that, we would love to know if you have ever made money or tried to do so using any smartphone app. Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.